Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create ConvertKit subscriber from new Google Sheets tables row. Let's suppose I am running an event management company and collecting participants' details from various sources. I am maintaining all this data in my Google Sheets tables and creating subscribers in ConvertKit one by one. So as this is a very tedious task, now I want that whenever I add a new data in the Google Sheets tables, this is automatically sent to ConvertKit and the subscriber is created automatically. I can do this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Google Sheets and ConvertKit. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Google Sheets where the new row will be added in tables, and in my action application, I will take ConvertKit where the subscriber will be created automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create subscriber in ConvertKit from Google Sheets table. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets and ConvertKit with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on the plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on Create Workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as How to Create ConvertKit Subscriber from New Google Sheets Table Row. And now I want to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select Google Sheets Automations and click on Create. As soon as I click on Create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is Trigger, other is Action. So Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, we want to create subscriber in ConvertKit from Google Sheets tables row, which means as soon as I add a new detail in the Google Sheets tables row, this workflow will get triggered and the subscriber will be created in ConvertKit. So our trigger application will be Google Sheets, and the trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. Now we need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is given to us, and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets by the name Subscriber Details. It has first name, last name, phone number and email address. Now we need to make connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, for which we need to click on Extensions, click on Add-ons, click on Get Add-ons. And Google Workspace Marketplace has appeared in front of us, and here we need to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. I have already installed this in my Google Sheets, and that's why it is showing installed. But if you are doing this for the first time, you have to follow the same process. Next, let's go to Extensions again and click on Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on Initial Setup. So here we need to enter two details, which is webhook URL and trigger column. Here our selected sheet is sheet 1. So this is sheet 1, and now we need to enter webhook URL, and this is the same URL which we were provided in our trigger step. So let's go back to Pabbly, and from over here copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now we need to enter trigger column, so it's written over here. The trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here my last data entry column will be column D, and as soon as I enter data in this column, the complete row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger column will be column D and click on submit. Setup configured successfully. Now let's go back to extensions again. Click on Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on Send on Event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. So now let's go back to Pabbly. And over here you can see waiting for the webhook response, which means we need to enter some data so as to get the response over here. Let's go back to Google Sheets. And over here, let's enter some dummy details. So let's say my first name is Smart. My last name is Dummy. My phone number is, and my email address is. So column D was a trigger column, and as soon as we add data in this column, the complete row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly and check whether we have received this response or not. So over here you can see we have successfully captured this response. The trigger column was column D. Spreadsheet name is subscriber details. Sheet name is sheet 1. Phone number was this. Last name was Dummy. First name was Smart. And the email address was smart@pabblytudes.com. This means our Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. And now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So we need to create subscriber in ConvertKit. So our action application will be ConvertKit. And our action event will be add subscriber to a sequence. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And now we need to enter these details. So it's written over here API key and API secret. You can find the above keys by logging to your ConvertKit account. After login, go to your account settings. So let's click on the hyperlink given over here. And it has taken me to this dashboard. Over here under settings, I need to scroll and search for advanced. Click on advanced. And from over here, we will get the API key and the API secret. So we need to copy this API key from over here and simply paste it over here. Next, we need API secret. So let's go back to account settings. And from over here, click on show. And just copy this and paste it over here. Click on save. So ConvertKit is connected with Pabbly Connect, and next we need to enter these details. So as to enter sequence ID, let me take you to my ConvertKit account. So this is my ConvertKit dashboard, and over here you can see all the options. Here you need to click on send. Click on sequences. And this is the sequence that I have created by the name welcome. And I need my subscriber under this sequence. So let's go back to Pabbly. And from over here, I need to select the sequence ID as welcome. And now I need to enter these details, which is email, first name, last name, mobile number. So to enter this, I'm going to use mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous step. So I have received data from Google Sheets table. And here I'll just click on Google Sheets and map this data as smart@pabblytudes.com. Next is first name. So I'll follow the same process and map the first name as Smart. Now we need to select the tags under which we want the subscriber to be created. So let's go back to ConvertKit. And over here you can see the option grow. Click on grow. And from over here click on subscribers. If you scroll down, you will be able to see tags. So I want the subscriber to be created in Pab tag. So let's go back to Pabbly and select the tag as this one. Now we need to enter the last name. So we'll follow the same process and enter the last name as Dummy and the mobile number as this one. Now mapping is important so that every time we receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if the new response is received. Next, we simply have to click on Save and Send Test Request. And we have received the response. The subscriber ID is this. The status is active. So the first name was Smart, email address was smart@pabblytudes.com, last name was Dummy and the mobile number was this. Let's go to ConvertKit and check whether this subscriber has been created or not. From over here, click on Grow, click on Subscribers. And we can see we have successfully created this subscriber by the name Smart. Let's open this. The email address is smart@pabblytudes.com. First name is Smart, last name is Dummy, mobile number was this. And if you click on sequences, you will be able to see that this subscriber has been created under this sequence. So we have successfully created this subscriber, and to check whether this automation is running perfectly fine or not, let's go back to Google Sheets and enter another dummy detail. So let's say over here my first name is Current, my last name is Test, my phone number is, and my email address is. Now let's go back to ConvertKit and check whether this recent subscriber has been created or not. Click on Grow, click on Subscribers. And over here we have instantly created this recent subscriber also. The email address is current@pabblytudes.com. First name is Current, last name is Test, mobile number is this, and this is created under the sequence Welcome. So to summarize this, we took Google Sheets as our trigger application and made connection of Pabbly Connect with Google Sheets, after which we entered the data in our Google Sheets and received the response over here. Then we moved to our next step, which was action step, and selected our action application as ConvertKit, made connection with Pabbly Connect and selected our sequence ID. After that, we mapped all this data and simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as subscriber in our ConvertKit account. So we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets and ConvertKit with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.